Hello everybody, welcome back to Sure Shot Archery. I'm Anthony and today we're going to be unboxing the Fivics X10 tungsten points. So yes, Fivics is making their own tungsten points for your Easton X10s. Easton does make tungsten points for X10s, but now Fivics is also making their own. I find this to be very intriguing, and that's why, well, we're doing an unboxing because I bought a set and I have yet to unbox them, and I really want to check out what's going on here. From the front, very simple yet classy little logo stripe that also seals the case because it's sealed on both sides, and you can see 6 of the tungsten points in here. It looks like little square tubes with probably rubber stoppers on the end, keeping each of them safe from banging into each other, you know, when they're getting shipped across the ocean from the land of archery, Korea, because that is where they are made. It says so on the back. On the back, though, with that, you got a lot of, well, some information here. You get a telephone number and fax for Fivics if for some reason you want to fax them. Again, X10 tungsten points, 120 grain, 12 points per package, so you should be able to break them down and make them into 110 and 100 grains. We'll find out in a second here when I cut this open. See how well these open up. This is also a lot thicker of a case than the Easton ones. By the way, if anybody's curious, it's probably almost double the thickness. A ton of foam here, and there we have our points. And yep, they're all nicely stacked. We could probably take out this first row of 6, and look, there's 6 more underneath. Is there anything underneath that? Nope, there's just foam underneath that. So they are very well covered in foam. We'll put all these back besides one, and close that puppy up. Now let's check out this case. Wow, really strong plastic case here, and yeah, this is kind of like I guess it's like a rubbery plastic that holds in the tungsten point, and it even has little, I guess, grooves that you would call it in there, so the point sits snugly, won't fall out. Pretty intense if you ask me. Eastons are just really simple tubes. It could be why they cost, I think, $10 more or so than the Easton ones. You know, you're paying for some extra protection here for your tungsten points. Other than that, though, looking at these up close, the machining looks really good on them. Of course, you know, it'd be better if I could put these under like a microscope or something and compare them to the Easton ones. And I may do that in another video. Possibly minus the microscope because I don't really have one, but we could try to zoom in as much as possible to see if we see a difference. I know some of the bargain tungsten points from other companies are kind of shady, and they seem to have like manufacturing dimples in them, where the machine had a hard time cutting out this shape for this point. These don't seem to be the case. They feel nice and smooth and just really refined. I don't see any marks or anything on this point, and that's a good sign, because if you're putting out a lot of money for some points, you want them to be manufactured, you know, to the best that they can, you know, the highest quality they can. It's just going to allow for more consistency, you know, in your arrows, weight-wise and just overall performance-wise. Other than that, they do have 2 break-off points at the end, so you can make these 100 grain if you are somebody that wants to make them 100 grain. Other than that, wow, it goes right in. You even get a click when they close. Pretty impressive in terms of, you know, how it's displayed, how the points are transported and stored. Definitely good work by Fivics on that end. I will be putting these into arrows in another video and actually testing them out and seeing if I notice a difference in how they perform. We'll find out, and we'll stay tuned on that. But other than that, I'll have links to Fivics down below in the description if you want to learn more about them from Fivics themselves, and you want to maybe pick up a set to play with on your own time at your own range. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm very happy to share these with you, and as always, happy shooting.